What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. Today we got to talk about Baby Doge because we have some little updates inside of Baby Doge and something exciting is about to happen. But anyways, before we get into it, definitely hit the like button and subscribe. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, don't forget to come over here to cryptomillionaires.shop and go ahead and get you some Crypto Millionaires merch. We got all different types of merch here. We got Crypto Millionaires shirts, Crypto Vibe shirts, and we have them for both men and women. We have pants. We have a lot of different clothing here at cryptomillionaires.shop. So definitely come over here and get you some Crypto Millionaires merch. But anyways, let's start on Baby Doge. So first of all, we did bounce back up here on the support, which is very, very good for Baby Doge. We've been around this support for a very long time, but now we're bouncing off of this support down here at 2250, 8Z2250. So now we're at 8Z232, which is interesting. It looks like Baby Doge is now at this resistance up here. Now we're trying to get up here to the 2400 resistance now after we can get past 2300. So that's pretty much what Baby Doge is doing right now. It's working its way back up there. If you can see here, it shows, we have been struggling a little bit to stay above this resistance, but, nothing Baby Doge can't handle. But yeah, it's definitely interesting to see what's going on inside of the price charts here for Baby Doge. This is the 4-hour chart, and it shows it even better here, like this resistance all the way up here. And really, 2,500 is what we really need to get to, because if we can get past 2,500, then we can get all the way up here, possibly to 2,800, and then possibly to 8C3. So that's what we're looking to forward towards here with Baby Doge. And like I said, if we don't, then we got support down there at 8Z21. We got more support down here at 8Z18. So we do have some good supports here for Baby Doge. We just gotta make an attempt to try to get past them. But we've been at this level for a while, so we just gotta wait for the market to play its course, because we're supposed to have some big stuff coming up for Bitcoin and for the financial markets soon. So we're going to talk about that as well. But yeah, moving on from Baby Doge, though, this is pretty much all I got for the Baby Doge technicals. But yeah, moving on from Baby Doge, let's talk about Bitcoin for a little bit. So as you can see here, Bitcoin is working its way up still. It was at 28K. It's at 27.9K right now. It just now dropped below 28K. But I do want to show something important here inside of Bitcoin. We literally just now bounced off of the support here for Bitcoin, and that was at 27K. So yeah, this support was interesting. 27K support here. Now we're at 27.9K. But if you look over here on the oscillator, you can see there's a bearish signal being thrown up because the buying is actually slowing down, which is interesting because we did just now get another buying wave. Even though the buying is slowing down, you can see in the oscillator and up here on the charts that we did get some more buying that just now pretty much flown in here into Baby Doge. If you go over here and look at the 4-hour chart, though, you can also see it's even more prevalent when you look over here at that oscillator. So you can still see that bullish or that bearish signal here, because it's showing that we're way overbought here, which is true. This is overbought, like way overbought. We went all the way down there from 19K all the way up to 28K almost immediately. But this typically happens in bull markets. So I think this might be the start of the bull market here with Baby Doge, because like 19K to almost 30K, like that typically doesn't happen. And especially after we just now had the same scenario back here from January, January 10th, all the way up. We went from like 16K all the way up to like 24K easily. And now you're seeing it again where Baby Doge is going or where Bitcoin is going 19K all the way up here to 28K easily. So I think this is the first sign of the bull market. It definitely looks like we're in a bull market. Now, I'm not saying we're not going to pull back, because obviously we're coming off of this overbought area here, and now we have this bearish signal being thrown up because the buying is now slowing down, meaning there could be one more buying wave here, like having a little bit of a selling wave, having another buying wave, and then having a major selling wave. So I think once we break 30K, or if we break 30K, we could then be having that pullback once or if 30K is broken. So if we can get past that, because remember, 30K is major resistance. And remember, I said it before, if we break 30K, that pretty much confirms our bull market. And the thing is, with 30K, we could break 30K, but then go down below it immediately, break that 30K support immediately. Like once we pass it, our resistance then becomes our support. We could then break that support that was once our resistance very easily, and then we could go down below 30K. But the importance there is that we actually pass 30K in the first place, because if we can actually pass it, then that pretty much shows that we're actually in our bull market, because 30K is a very, very significant resistance area for Bitcoin. So that's a very important to look at. So yeah, if we pass 30K, then you definitely want to start loading up, because we obviously will have a pullback after 30K, but you would still want to load up on some crypto. But anyways, like Bitcoin is always first, and then the altcoins follow after. So yeah, after that, after 30K, you probably would pull back to like 26 or 25K, and then probably continue to rise from there. But we'll have to see whenever that happens. But also, remember, we have with a Fed press conference on the March 22nd. They're gonna make their interest rate decision, whether or not they're gonna raise interest rates or not. So we're gonna see what's gonna happen on the 22nd, because the Fed, they're gonna possibly raise some interest rates. They're gonna have the conference. So yeah, that's gonna be very important. That could actually make or break the market. If it's a good news, and then like the last time, they predicted it's only gonna be a 25 basis point hike, and if that happens, then there's a possibility that that could be what pushes Bitcoin above 30K. So that's pretty much what we're watching for with Bitcoin. But anyways, moving on to Baby Doge, you can see not much has happened right now. We're only up 0.7% in the last 24 hours. So it's not much, not much is happening with Bitcoin, which isn't bad. It's not bad. Or with Baby Doge, I mean, it's not bad that not much is happening, because we're trading sideways, which is good. It's better that we're going sideways rather than down. Because look, we had all this growth coming into the new year, and now what you're seeing with Baby Doge is just a slight pullback. So now we're trading sideways. It looks like we found our base here for Baby Doge. Looks like Baby Doge doesn't want to go down below 8Z2. So that's what it's looking like. Our base point right now is for Baby Doge 8Z2. So hopefully we don't go down below that, and hopefully we only go up from here. But moving on from all this good stuff though, holders increasing by a little bit. We now have 1,711,697 holders, whereas yesterday we had 1,711,493. So we got about 200 holders overnight. So that's pretty good. Also, they just announced that the game will be announced tomorrow. So they're going to be announcing it tomorrow. I don't know what time tomorrow, but it will be announced tomorrow. So this is going to be big. Remember, we're going to have a live stream tomorrow. So yeah, this is going to be really big. And yeah, the live stream tomorrow, and we'll be going over a lot. So definitely tune in for that. Also over here, you can see for Baby Doge, and also for anyone wondering, the live stream tomorrow, it'll probably be around 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, maybe a little bit later, like 9 p.m., 9:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, somewhere around there. But anyways, going over here to the farms for Baby Doge Swap, you can see the APR is now at 35% still. 5.4 million liquidity, $5.47 inside of my current farm. $160 right here, so it's still increasing inside of price here. So still doing good there. Liquidity for Baby Doge Swap now $43 million. Volume now $366,000. So the volume is actually fairly low. The last 24 hours, you can see Baby Doge has burned 6,122,934,134,656 Baby Doge coins, which comes out to $16,140. And then you can also see over here the tokens burned on the burn portal is 37,165,144,665,686 Baby Doge coins burned total on the burn portal. And yeah, that's a lot to say. I just like saying it all. But yeah, this is pretty interesting. I want to see us get past 40 billion, so we can at least get 200 trillion burned by the Baby Doge community, or by the Baby Doge developers. Because remember, they're gonna match us by 5. So if we can actually get up to 40 trillion burn, and then they're gonna actually burn 200 trillion for us. So that would be nice to see. 200 trillion in itself isn't much, but it still helps out. Any little amount helps out inside of Baby Doge, right? But moving on from this though, looking at DeFi Llama here, you can see for DeFi Llama we now have 49 billion inside of total value locked, which we've been over there. But I made a video about Joe here, Trader Joe. You definitely want to check out Trader Joe. It's been going crazy. I'm just gonna go over here and swerve off the topic just a little bit here. But you definitely want to check out what's going on inside of Trader Joe. Yeah, it says it's down 3.9%. But look at what it did in the last 7 days. Like, we did huge numbers in the last 7 days, so don't act like it's not gonna do huge numbers in the near future. So yeah, they just now got listed, not listed, but they just now connected to the BNB chain and the Arbitrum chain. So now you can work with the BNB chain and an Arbitrum chain on the Trader Joe site here. So just go over to Trader Joe, learn about it. It's definitely worth time. It's worth your time. Like I said, here we got Arbitrum and we got BNB chain. So we got good stuff going on with Trader Joe, and also like I said with Baby Doge, we're all the way down here with we've been going down here. I'm not gonna lie, we've been going down on the ranks for DeFi. That's because all these other DeFi projects, like they've been going crazy. They've just been passing us, 15%, 22%, 16%, 27%, 40%. Like a lot of these, like 50% up here, a lot of these different projects, they're getting a huge inflow of money going into them. So big money is going into DeFi right now. So if you're not into DeFi, just think 40 we were at $44 billion in total value locked here in DeFi, and now we're at 49 billion. That's within 1 week. So within 1 week, we went up from 44 billion to 49 billion. That says a lot. So you definitely want to, check in because 5 billion within a week going into DeFi, yeah, that's big money flowing into DeFi right now. So definitely make sure that you're watching out for Baby Doge here because I think eventually that money has to flow into Baby Doge, especially once we get some good news coming through. But yeah, anyways, this is pretty much all I got for you all today. Definitely hit the like button and subscribe. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, don't forget to come over here and check out cryptomillionaires.shop if you want some Crypto Millionaires merch. We got Crypto Millionaires Established 2023 merch. We got Crypto Vibes shirts. We got King Bitcoin shirts. We got Meme Coin Millionaire shirts. We got all these different shirts. Crypto Millionaire hoodies, Crypto Millionaire shirts. We got a lot of different styles. We got joggers for the people that like those. So we got all different types of stuff here for crypto. So definitely come here and check out cryptomillionaires.shop if you want to get you some nice clothing. Anyways, this is pretty much all I got for you all today. And as always, definitely hit the like button, subscribe. As always, I'll be back with another video.